Have you ever wondered what makes autumn in Japan so magical? Forget pumpkin spice for a second, and let's talk about Momiji. This is the Japanese tradition of red leaf hunting, and it's a nationwide obsession. When fall arrives, the entire country transforms into a breathtaking canvas of fiery reds, brilliant oranges, and vibrant yellows. From the northern island of Hokkaido down to the south, people flock to parks, temples, and mountainsides just to witness this stunning natural display. It's not just about looking at leaves, it's a whole cultural experience. Think of it like a picnic, but instead of just food, you're feasting your eyes on the incredible colors of Japanese maple and ginkgo trees. It's a moment to pause, appreciate nature's beauty, and capture that perfect photo. So, if you're planning a trip to Japan, consider going in the fall. Trust me, experiencing Momiji is something you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.